In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a page on Squarespace. Navigating Squarespace and managing your website might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're looking to preview a page before it goes live, or just want to see how your current layout's looking, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. First off, let's start at the very beginning by heading over to Squarespace. You can simply do this by typing Squarespace into your web browser and hitting enter. Once the website loads, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. This is your gateway into your personal Squarespace account, so go ahead and click on that button. Now, you're faced with several login options, but for convenience, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is a quick and efficient way to log in if you've already linked your Google account to Squarespace. So click on Continue with Google. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts you've used on your device. Click on the Google account associated with your Squarespace account. This action should seamlessly link you to your Squarespace dashboard, assuming, of course, that you've used this particular Google account for Squarespace. Once you're into your dashboard, it's time to navigate to your website. For this example, you'll often find a direct link to your website right on your Squarespace homepage dashboard. This link is your direct line to managing your website's content, design, and settings. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the link, you're presented with your website's backend, a place where all the magic happens. To access your pages, look for the Pages menu option. This might vary slightly in appearance depending on updates to the Squarespace interface, but it's generally easy to find. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages you've created on your website. Now for the final step, browse through the list of pages until you find the one you want to view. Once you've found it, simply click on the page. This action takes you to a version of the page that shows how it appears to your site visitors. Keep in mind, depending on whether the page is set to public, password protected, or not yet live, what you see might vary. If you intend to view a not yet published or password protected page, make sure you're logged in or have the password handy. It's also worth noting that the view you get from the backend might slightly differ from what users see, especially if your site is responsive and adapts to different screen sizes. To get the most accurate representation, always check your site on different devices and in different browsers. And there you have it. Viewing a page on your Squarespace website is as easy as logging in, navigating through your dashboard, and selecting the page you wish to preview. As you get more comfortable with Squarespace, you'll find that these steps become second nature. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process for you. Squarespace's intuitive interface is designed to be user-friendly, but everyone needs a little guidance now and then. Remember, each step in managing your website, no matter how small it seems, is a step towards creating a more engaging and effective online presence. So take your time, explore, and don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and content to see what best suits your vision. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you with more Squarespace tips and tricks in the future.